The court indicated that they are granting interim release / bail to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and that order of interim release will be operable up till 2nd of June, that is during the election process, and there is no restriction on his campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say while he is out in these 22 days. वो क्या कह सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कह सकते हैं कैंपेन में, पॉलिटिकल नॉन पॉलिटिकल, वो कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इंपोज नहीं की गई हैं और ये 2 जून तक पूरा का पूरा ऑर्डर ऑपरेट करेगा।
तो ये 2 जून को आप सरेंडर करेंगे कि क्या होगा?
देखिए, अभी जो ऑर्डर कह रहा है वो 2 जून तक के लिए है। हम ऑर्डर देखेंगे, उसको पूरी तरह से एग्जामिन करेंगे और उसके बाद की कार्रवाई क्या होगी उसके बाद ही हम बता सकते हैं।
Can you tell me what the Supreme Court has said?
The Supreme Court had ordered the interim release of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal until 2nd of June. And there are no restrictions which have been imposed on him in respect of campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say. He has also, this is despite the fact that the ED even today, as the oral order was being pronounced, really tried and argued that there should be restrictions imposed on him so that he cannot be saying anything about this case. But that suggestion also was not accepted by the court, and no restrictions whatsoever in respect of the campaigning has been imposed. Other aspects we'll have to see the written order. And since we have not seen it and the entire order was not pronounced, I am not in a position to comment any further on that.
Now I want to know your reaction. Do you think will it impact some impact?
See, my sense as a lawyer is that it is a much needed relief. The arrest itself happened after Model Code of Conduct was imposed. Therefore, the relief could not have come one day earlier. It was much needed, and therefore we are very happy that the court has granted this relief.